second. Hello, my name is Alex, and I'm developing my game Elemental Novice. The gameplay still needs some improvement. That's why I'm stuck. Oh, again, one more time. I'm sorry. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm developing my game Elemental Novice. The game is available on Steam in early access. The gameplay still needs some improvement. That's why I'm here. And I started some marathon where I add one new spell every single day. Today I am finishing spells related with air, and today's spell is Air Rune. I already made similar spells for air and ice, so it's gonna be very fast. So the idea is that player draws some runes on the ground, and when enemies step on it, he gets lifted up, and when he fell down, he get damage from the fall. One more time, the game is available on Steam. It's not perfect, but there is free demo, so go and try it. Let me know what you think about this. And let's start to do the spell. As I told before, I already have similar spells for magic system. For ice and fire. So I just gonna copy it. Here, new folder, rune. And I have to rename all fire to air words. This asset I'm gonna use different. Something like this. Air. Okay, I'm gonna use temporarily this picture. So maybe I should say how was my day. It was kind of okay. What do we have today? I think today is a Monday. So I was working, and now I'm doing the game. What next? What next should I make here? So I make renaming. What's this? What's this? And what's this? Aha. This stuff. I should update. This is the girl. Should be not. It should be air. Air decal. Let's see. Yes. So the decal should be like this. That's how my air rune gonna look like. I already have such things in the game. Nothing except difficult. So when somebody step there, I should launch. Okay, I'm gonna do this later. Need to change asset. It's air and opposite is earth. I don't need this, I think. Only this. On air. This is run air. make magic. And initially it made from this. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. So now I should take my blueprint. My player state is a place where I keep the information about spells. Air Rune. Air. Like this. Hello. Have a nice day. So now let's see if I be able to spawn the spell. I don't see it already, and it's already not very cool. Mm. Mm. Let's see what's wrong with it. Air passive rune. Air earth. Yes. Air rune. The description of the spell I'm gonna do a little bit later. Today, during the streams, I'm making, let's say, the draft. So everything is okay. Air. Ah, I get it, I get it, I get it. Redirection is okay. That was, everything was correct. Passive spell by magic type, yes. Fire, lightning. Okay, I have this, why I don't have this air spell? Ah, ah, I know. Data. Rune air passive from. Yeah, here it is. So if I do this, and I gonna get some this air elements. So after concentration, yeah, that's what will happen. So technically doesn't work properly, but it's okay. So rune air, rune air. I have here some stuff. Make magic. Okay. Rune air. Make magic. Aha. Parent. Make magic. What is in the parent? System template. Let's make it to validate it. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, it's totally fine. Nothing bad happened. System template, rune air. Cloud. Cloud. Maybe this. Okay, I don't like it. Let's see one more time. Okay, okay, I'm gonna use it like this. And now I want to lift enemies up. So I remember I definitely have something typical in ramp launch chart. Yes. Run air, make magic, launch character. Yeah, I have it as a base character. Okay. Let's do like this. And velocity, I should just give the Z velocity. What if it's gonna be 2000? Let's start from 2000. Woo! What? He didn't get any damage? Okay. That's nice, but I know that if I do this, he fell, and you're gonna go down and get damage. So what makes them take damage? Oh, I didn't expect it that I may gonna have problem here. Typical enemy, base character. Uh, uh, land, no land. Uh, something like wall. No, maybe typical enemy. Enemies, typical enemy blueprint. Fall. Okay, here is the logic of falling. So if falling, movement mode. Where do I have it? From where is it? Is it from character movement? Reduce health by falling. Event on landed. Fall from that. Huh. So I know that my player definitely have proper logic. Let's try to make copy from that. It's not gonna be very easy because the code related with falling becoming a little bit look like spaghetti code, but I can do it. Landed. Yeah. How am I? So I have some logic which track when player goes up at the topper location. I remember this location, fall from Z, and then when player go down, I make a damage on him. On movement changed, is falling, is it's falling if true. I think also there is something in tick. Yeah. Well, it's not really easy logic. All from Z. You know what? I gonna do half the damage from the height. So in those Air Rune fall, that fall from Z. World location. Get world location capsule. Split. Z plus, not multiply, plus. Let's do 500. And let's see how does it work. Okay. And when he fell down, he got some damage. You can see it. So go enemy. Rune air. So I also know that movement component mass. Let's divide it by 100. Divide it by 100 and multiply by this value and make it not 500 but 7. Row to asset. So what is the average bear weight? Bear weight from 80 to 600 kilograms. Oh my god. Somebody need to do the diet. Mass. Oh go. He is like much more. I'm gonna do 500. Zombie. Go down, please. What is the zombie mass? Yeah, yeah. So, you know, even 90. Zombie is, I'd like to say, some average man person. This is golem. And this is boss. Should be 10. Okay. But I will not allow to him get so much damage. I will think how to fix it. Um, so this room, I'm taking this mass, I'm dividing it by 100. So by this zombie gonna take less damage from getting from height. Meanwhile, heavy bear gonna get more damage. Let's see how does it work. And then went to the sky. Yeah. So the bear, no, How much golem gonna get damage? Golem didn't get damage at all because I update. Wait, wait. Why golem didn't take any damage? Because the logic of getting damage in typical enemy blueprint, but the bosses inherit class from NPC, it's not typical enemy blueprint. So he won't get any damage from this. So there are two options. I'm copying this logic, but then all my enemies gonna get, all my bosses gonna get extra damages. What I don't want to do. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now. At least for now. So I just need to check mass for all other enemies. For example, barbarians. Mass also can be 90. So technically, yeah. Surprisingly, today's challenge is over. I will check the mass and then I'm gonna summarize air spells because this was the day 12 and today I finished the air spells. This dude slightly big. I'm gonna make his mass 200. I think he isn't human and you can see that he big guy. We'll stop to the right. Also, I don't like give me a second, Rune Air. Based from the rune. I have couple parameters here. And those parameters rune air. I don't want this rune be so big. So how to change it? So the easiest, faster way make this like this. No, it's still gonna appear huge. So it's not a solution. I should make this, for example, 100. And decal 120. Yeah, something like this. Plus, I don't like when those runes appear evenly by the circle around player. So rune base air passive, yes, air passive. So I have radius. Where does those runes appears? Yeah, calculate those radius. Let's just make plus random float in range. Let's say from 0 to, let's do minus 50 up to 200. And let's calculate it every iteration. Mm-hmm. Here's some print, which I believe I don't need anymore. Now when I concentrate, yeah, they appear over the circle, but not at the same place. Am I? No, not. I'm not triggering them, but the boss may trigger them. Meanwhile, boss don't have any effect from them. You survived. I wanna see how does the bear gonna die. Can they die from it? I might have some logic which protect them from getting deadly damage. Seems so. Okay. I gonna typical enemy blueprint. Enemy. Typical enemy blueprint. Hmm. Damaged actor. Location. Apps. Event on landed. Oh, maybe it's works. Let's do this. I think I figured out. So it works only once when enemy landed. Okay. The bear is still alive. This golem isn't helping right now. Hmm? Bear still alive. Why? Why is they don't not dying? And why I don't see the runes stuff? It's becoming slightly more complicated than I expected. I don't like it. Passive spells, air, runes. Rune air. It should look like this. Where you guys go a little bit far away. Okay, this appeared. I see the rune here. And now I don't. So when I spawn new rune, it has the KO, but when I spawn new rune from the buffer, it's don't. It means only one. Get from the buffer. Propagate to children. Here. It also a little bit dangerous because by this enemies can get in some location where they will be not seen or unreachable, and it may, oh, that was very fun, it may prevent me from going further. Okay, they still not dying. On landed jump. Let's work only with the bear. Bear. F9. So I'm making damage only if this is different. Come here, Mr. Bear. Let me show you the way. He got stuck very easily. I don't like it. Okay. Yes, I'm going here. And then I'm going here. What is a truth? Mr. Bear, where are you? Mr. Bear? Did you die? Accidentally? How come? How could you? Yes and yes. Okay, he got some damage. But then... Yes. And fall. Fall from Z. 142. Why? Oops, I killed him. Tick. There is no tick function here. Event tick. Print. Fall from that. I don't see it. I know why. I know why probably. Tick enable. I'll start with tick enabled. Yes. That's how I'm saving some performances. So initially it's 0, then it go up, and it's become okay. Wow. Then when it landed, is that location should be this. What? Why did he die? One more time. How does this Air Rune work? I'm getting location, that location of the enemy. And sending him, and I'm send him up. I'm sent all from that location. Mass component. So current location that plus 700. Aha, maybe that is wrong attempt. It should be like this. Like this. No. Like this. I confused. I am confused. So this some mass index. And this should be the damage from the high. Maybe I should just, so previously I was just multiply this, but it can reduce, divide by 6, divide by 100. So in a bear case it's a lot. Remove pin. Something like this maybe. Air Rune F9. So right now, and also what is the location it is? Details. There is location around 0. And when I go here, 1245. So what does it mean not in scope? Everything should be available. Okay, this is 5. Yeah, I remember the bear height weight was 500. 5 multiplied by 100. What is this? It's the current location. No, I should multiply 700. Okay, let's do in a little bit different way. So I should make 500 regular damage. Let's do like this. All from that. So here I have 2609. Again, 2609. It landed. False. Why? 5 fall from Z is 109. Find reference by name. This some reason this not what I expected. Becoming jump. So first time 2000s. Then he go down, landed. This is true because yeah, this 2000. This the height from which bear fell down, and this is the current bear location position. If it's too high, then make a damage. Yeah, I'm making damage. So right now, this is 107. Okay, 107. Now I set it again, 2000 with extra. And after this, I'm sending this on event on movement mode changed. Why am I failing? Why am I passing those if equal failing? But I'm not. Ah, it's different. Okay, I can send the current mode is unstable then. Air current. No, I do it in a different way. Current state is unstable. Unstable. Current state is unstable. It's almost our life now. And it always was like this. Yeah. Okay. For some reason, it didn't do this first time. Okay. True. Fine. Finally. Yeah. And the bear died. Let's remove all those breakpoints and see how it works when it moves. And I also can return, for example, enemy, zombie. Wanna see how much damage he gonna get. Okay, they both went to the skies. Where I already know that's gonna die. But you are Mr. Zombie. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, you survived second time. Yeah, and on third time you died. Well, it was very nice. Nice implementation. Okay, how much time do I have? 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Damn, I expected to finish much faster. Anyway, I finished to do air passive spells. Passive spells in my game gonna be the spells which player don't have to select where to spawn. They're gonna be spawned by consequences. And let's see what spells I did. So today's spell is Air Rune, which create on the ground some rune, and when the enemy gonna stand on it, they're gonna fly to the sky. Yeah, like this. Maybe I will make on a difficult level that player also will be vulnerable to this, but I'm not sure. I will see what to do with this. Then also I made passive spells, air haste, my player state, air haste, when player cuts, when player concentrate, he can what? He can speed up. Third spell. I'm in Russia. I'm running like a kid whose class is over and he can't wait to finish. Is pusher. Spell which push enemies away. Like this. It's some saving spell. As you can see, all air spells related with movement, with moving something from one place to another. And the last spell, Vacuum. Air, Rune, air, my player state. Which create around enemies head, vacuum. And if enemies using air, like the poor pair, they're gonna die. But as you can see, zombie doesn't breathe, so he's fine. And you know, there is 50 minutes, almost hour. It's 12th day of the marathon. To be honest, I was thinking today maybe to play Dota instead of doing this marathon, but it's okay. So, thank you again, everybody, very much. It was 12th day of my marathon. I finished today the air spells. Now it left only four spells for air, for earth. Sorry. And after this, I will try to embed those spells into the game and make it better, more interesting, more fun, more dynamic. Thank you everybody for watching this. Try the game, subscribe to Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and etc. And goodbye.